Okay, this is the mini bike with the awesome exhaust. I always wanted to make this thing look like way better than it does because it's just a stock mini bike, you know. So I wanna transform this front end and make it look like a chopper. And I think it'll be really easy. I think what we can do is literally just take the bars off and cut them and turn them so that this is now like the fork, and then this is the little handlebar. And then we can put a little tilt on it, tilt it forward a little bit. But I think that'll work really well. You won't need anything extra. You just need this, an angle grinder to cut it up, and a welder to weld it together. Alright, so this is how I'm going to cut it. The tape is kind of blocking what it's going to look like. It will be like that, and then cut it. The other half will be on this side. Alright, I got the handlebar here. We just put a little tiny bit of an angle on the end of these bars, I think we can make that look pretty cool. I put a very small amount of angle on the bottom of the two bars. Let's try it. It's stuck. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's not perfectly straight, but reasonably straight. There you have it. So you turn your sport mini bike into a chopper mini bike. I'll show you a footage of riding it tomorrow. Holy crap. Test it out. There's a big log here. Oh, my shoe hit the ground.